welcome to Deanna Troy Travels. Subscribe for all kinds of travel videos. Today we are in the monkey forest in Ubud, Bali, and it's a conservation area for long-tailed macaques. Let's go see how many we can find.
Turning backwards, there it comes here.
Like you have children.
Oh my god, what are they doing now? You don't know. Oh, I feel I'm getting some head scratches here.
What are the names? Salute.
Doesn't know how to open zippers. It's so soft. It's got a nice perch with the backpack.
Oh, hij zit op je tas. Kijk nou, je zit er eentje achter op zijn rugzak.
He's trying to open it.
Doesn't know how to do the zipper.
Zijn ze nou zo rondtas? You know.
He's still trying to get in the backpack.
Ja, dat staartje.
Let me know if it starts succeeding though.
We'll see. How long is it going to take to open it?
Kijk nou.
I got nothing there.
No.
What is he trying to do now? Oh, uh-oh. Oh no!
Is it getting it?
He's figured it out.
Oh no.
So smart. Uh-oh. He wants to try again.
Oh yeah, I see.
Now Cedric has two monkeys on him. Two monkeys. Oh boy.
How do you make it?
I don't know.
I was trying to let him off. Are the zippers closed?
The zippers are all closed.
Yeah.
But now this is like a fun challenge. I'll open the hand. Naughty monkeys. Hello, monkey. Monkey and Cedric sitting in a tree. Bye, monkey. Oh, bye, monkey.
I don't want him to bite my fingers by accident.
He's like,
He's trying to peel off my fingers from it. This one's very bitey.
he is.
Well, he hasn't bit me yet, but he's...
So yeah, that's our trip at the monkey park in Ubud, Bali. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and give it a big thumbs up for me. And follow my channel on Dieta Troy Travels. Ah!